This is the latest in neural interfaces, because this is not a chip or hardware device that embeds into the brain, but it's actually cultured with live neurons on it, and then those neurons attach into the brain. Let me show you how this works. The problem with brain-computer interfaces is actually quite simple. Our brain is very soft, and the hardware, well, it's hard. So when we try to implant or embed something into the brain matter, it ruins more brain matter than it can give a signal from. It's a little bit like trying to listen to a whispered conversation through a brick wall. But this new type of interface is totally different, because this is not a chip or hardware device that embeds into the brain, but it's actually cultured with live neurons on it, and then those neurons attach into the brain. And if you've never heard of optogenetics before, let me blow your mind. These neurons have been cultured with something known as opsins. These proteins are found in nature in things like algae or bacteria, and they are photosensitive, which means they switch configuration if the right light hits them. Science Corp has cultured those neurons in between tiny micro LED lights, which means you can now control them with different colors of light. For example, blue light can switch the protein in a certain direction, polarizing the neuron and therefore making it fire, and yellow light can have the opposite effect, where it hyperpolarizes the neuron, therefore making it less likely to fire or turning it off. This technology has been around for a long time, but what hasn't happened before is this technology combined with a neural chip into a live animal. The mice that were implanted with this organoid device not only survived a normal, healthy lifespan, but the cultured neurons of the chip actually connected with actual brain matter into their living brains. Of course, this technology has a very long way to go in order to fine-tune every single action that we might want to modulate,